What's up, guys? Welcome to our newest featured listing in Madeira, 57 Portada Drive. Beautiful SCIP concrete construction. Can't wait for you guys to see the inside. We're 10 minutes from town. Come enjoy St. Augustine. Thanks. Hey guys, welcome to 57 Portada in Madeira. Like I said, over 2,100 square foot of concrete SCIP construction. That's poured concrete. It's built in 2015. We have beautiful quartz countertops. We've got 16 solar panels, a whole house gas generator, gas stovetop, beautiful backsplash. Can't wait for you guys to see this house and enjoy the video. Thanks.